We are at the University Terrace Building at the University of Alberta in Edmonton Alberta with the Oits Series 1 elevators. As I heard from, which are being modernized, as I heard from the elevator technicians, these new modernized elevators have passed inspection, meaning they will be put into service very soon. And that means for these old elevators, they will be soon our commission in the process of modernization. Therefore, let's take one last final line on these before these things get ripped out within the next couple of weeks. Let's take one final line on these. Here we go. See the original cab here, and the original fixtures which are going by. Let's go up to 7. Here at 7. See the original call station there, which is going by. New entrance there. Your old original entrance, which are bye-bye. Now let's go down to P3. We're going to miss these older series. They will be. And this is the truly final line. These will soon be ripped out in the process of modernization. Watch the button go out. You see your new entrance. These old entrance which are going by the power station. You can see into the pit there. The new elevator, which have passed inspection. Will soon be put into service. Let's go back up. This one. Got the roof and then elevator there. Original pictures which are gone. Here we are back again. See the new entrance there and the modernized elevator that have passed inspection. Your original lobby call station, which will soon be going bye-bye. And the original lobby entrance which are going by. And other than that, say goodbye to these older Series 1 elevators. They will be missed. And that which well said. Other than that, that will be it.